So this question mentions the word normal, and it's telling you that the normal price is reduced by 20% and the sale price is £52. Work out the normal price of the coat. So in other words, we want to go back to the original price. So this is shouting out at us to go back to the original price, because that was the normal price. Now, what you should have learnt or try to learn is that if you've got to go back to the original of something, the original price using percentages, then this topic is classically known as reverse percent. So we've got to reverse the process. Somewhere we had an original value, so we had an original price, which was known as the normal in this case. We did something to it, we reduced by 20%, and that gave us the sale price. Well, the original price is always 100% of what you had, the original thing, 100%. We've reduced by 20%. So what we've got to remember is that that means that we've got 80% left of the original. So that must equal the sale price, which was £52. So the key to this is to recognise that 80% of the original price is worth £52. So we've got lots of ways of doing this sum. We could do 52 divided by 80 times by 100. In doing the 52 divided by 80, that's 1% of the original price, and that'll give you an answer of £65. A lot of people like to think of 80% left as multiplying by 0.8. So if I want to get back to the original price, then I could reverse the process. So I could do 52 divided by 0.8, and that will give me £65 as well. So it doesn't matter what you do, the final answer will be £65, but you can think of it in different ways. Depends on how you like to do these reverse percentage questions to get back to the original. Now our check, and this is really important for this kind of question, is we should check the answer. So 20% was the reduction, so 20% of £65, well, that's the same as doing 0.2 times 65, which is going to be £13. So the reduction was £13 off. Well, £65 minus £13 is equal to £52. So our check gives us the same price as what they told us the sale price was, 52. So we can be happy that works. If we'd have done this wrong, and the classic answer to get this wrong would have been £62.40, because the classic way of making a mistake with this is to do 20% of 52 and just add it on. That would give you an answer of £62.40. When you do 20% of that to check that it actually works, you should see very quickly that 20% of this is going to be £6.24 double, £12.48. Take off £12.48 from there, then you get an answer of 62 take away 12 is 50, so it's going to be £49.92p. Well, that's wrong. So you should realise that £62.40 doesn't work by checking. Reverse percentages, quite a common question, guys. Practice it, not too bad, as long as you realise what percentage you have left is equal to the price they give you now, or the value they give you now, and we need to go back to the original price by doing either method.